got your Ford dealerships, General Motors, got your city buses. We want to make the city proud. Detroit versus everyone, baby. That's what's up. So we're just scanning, seeing some beautiful buildings. I'll take you down a couple blocks. The Detroit River's to my right. Across the Detroit River, we have Windsor. Detroit Police, trying to keep it safe in the city. Gas is $2.79 a gallon. Jefferson Chevy. The no-tell motel. We're just keeping it real with you. If you don't know what I'm talking about, then you don't need to know. If you know what I'm talking about, put yes in there. Squeezing brakes. There's a lot of open buildings for businesses, rent. I should take you down on the riverfront a little bit. There's Aretha Franklin. She's passed, but that's a picture of her over there. And you can't get this nowhere else except in Detroit, Michigan. So those of you who are watching, you're getting a treat right now. So it's really beautiful here. And then you get a chance to reflect on what Detroit has been through, and then the future is bright. Mayor Mike Duggan said he's not going to run for another term. He's done so much for the city. It's incredible. Detroit House of Pancakes. We don't have time to stop there right now. We're just scanning. If I stay on this road, this would take me through Metro Detroit and to some areas called Grosse Pointe Farms. Beautiful homes. You see the beautiful architecture of buildings. It's really, really beautiful. And if you have a chance once in your life to drive to these big cities, Metro Detroit, Houston, Texas, Los Angeles, California, you need to go ahead and do that. But many of you won't because you don't want to drive. WGPR is a radio station. Robinson Furniture. And then during the summertime, you see a lot of cars, beautiful car shows, motorcycles. They're racing light to light. Those days with me are long gone. There's another electric vehicle. So there's a sense of pride. I think when you come down here, if you really love your city, you love cars, you love people. And then Detroit King High School. A lot of good athletes come out of there. In the city, baby. And then I'm gonna have to turn around. I don't want to go too deep. And then of course there is the Chrysler Jefferson plant where they build